Hello, and thanks for receiving this life-changing information. My name is Ivey Stokes, and I'm a veteran business owner in Atlanta, Georgia. I grew up in a small town in Georgia where almost everyone lived below the poverty line. Even though I grew up poor, like most kids, I had dreams of great success. I even dreamed of becoming a millionaire. I was blessed to be a good football player and won a football scholarship to Georgia Tech in 1977. A severe knee injury ended my football career, but not my dreams and goals. During my senior year at Georgia Tech, I started my first business with just $10. Over the years, I have parlayed that $10 investment into millions of dollars. Growing up poor and becoming a millionaire in my early 30s has caused me to think about a big issue that persists in America. The issue is this. America is the wealthiest country on earth. It accounts for over 25% of the world's wealth, is home to over 700 billionaires and nearly 12 million millionaires. But even with all this wealth, millions of people are struggling financially. So the question is, why? There are many reasons, but over the years, I have come to believe the number one reason is the strategy people use to create their income and wealth. America is a capitalistic country, which means the biggest financial rewards go to business owners and investors. Unfortunately, most Americans are not business owners and do very little investing. About 15 years ago, some millionaire friends and I launched a company to empower people to become business owners and investors to attain personal financial success. Today, I am here to share some information about that company. The company is myEcon. myEcon is a 15-year-old debt-free, technology-driven company based in Atlanta and has generated almost $500 million. myEcon was founded on a proven strategy which states, if you want to build a great company, you should do two things. Number one, identify a problem that many people have. And number two, create an affordable, accessible solution to that problem. myEcon has done both. The problem is clear. Over 100 million Americans are struggling financially because of stagnant wages, high taxes, high debt, poor credit, and less than ideal investing. The solution is also clear. The solution is more cash flow and smart financial strategies. You might be thinking, why do people need more cash flow and smart financial strategies to attain financial success? Think about what an additional $500 to $5,000 or more in monthly cash flow could do for your budget. You could pay off debt quickly, build investments faster, or even move into your dream house. However, acquiring more cash flow is not always easy, so myEcon has two powerful methods for people to acquire more cash flow. The first method is using strategies in our income shifting membership. The membership has 5 cash flow strategies and supporting software which enables associates to acquire additional cash flow. The second is by earning business income, referring the membership to other people. First, let's discuss how to increase cash flow using the strategies. The first strategy is correct tax withholding. The IRS says over 80% of all employees have too much money withheld from their paychecks for taxes. When too much money is withheld for taxes, employees lose money because they could have used that money for investing, debt elimination, or lifestyle. Every day, we help hundreds of people correct their W-4 and increase their take-home pay by as much as $800 per month. The second strategy is build great credit. Credit is essential to our finances. Great credit can minimize borrowing costs and provide investment opportunities. Poor credit can cost consumers thousands of dollars. myEcon's My Credit system provides each associate educational videos and support tools to build a great credit score. The system teaches associates how to properly dispute negative payment history, how to acquire new credit, how to maximize credit utilization, credit mix, and credit history. myEcon's My Credit System is not only inexpensive, it is the best credit builder system, period. Our third strategy is debt elimination. Debt is a robber. We provide every associate with debt elimination software, debt elimination training, and extra cash flow to eliminate debt fast. The fourth strategy is minimize taxes. America has two tax systems, one for employees and one for business owners. Business owners have access to many more tax deductions than employees. Those deductions can save business owners thousands of dollars. We provide each associate with our Cash Flow Manager app, which tracks income, expenses, receipts, and business miles. We also provide training from the IRS website on potential deductions and how to document them. Our fifth and final strategy is investment education. Investment education leads to investment income, which provides financial freedom. myEcon provides training on investment terminology and investment strategies. One of our most important strategies is own a piece of America. As consumers, we spend millions of dollars over our lifetime with big American companies. It just makes sense to shift some of those dollars into buying stock in those companies instead of consumer goods only. Our associates increase their cash flow using the strategies in the membership and earn business income referring the membership to other people. myEcon also has the fastest compensation system in the industry. The system is fast because we make money by simply enrolling members into our inexpensive membership and asking those members to refer other members. Every time you enroll a new member, you generate upfront weekly income and monthly residual income. You earn up to $80 on personal enrollees and up to $75 on team enrollees. You can refer a friend to the membership and earn $80. That friend can refer a friend and you earn $75. This process can go on to infinity. Imagine having 25, 50, or even 100 new members enroll on your team weekly. Top associates in myEcon earn thousands of dollars in weekly commissions. You also earn up to $8 monthly residual income on each active membership. If your team enrolls 10 new members weekly, you earn up to $750 in weekly income. In 12 months, you could have over 500 active members and be earning an additional $3,500 in monthly residual income. If your team enrolls 50 new members weekly, you could earn up to $3,750 in upfront weekly income. In 12 months, you could have over 2,500 active members and be earning an additional $20,000 in monthly residual income. The income potential is unlimited. In addition to weekly commissions and monthly residual income on memberships, you also earn up to 60% on personal retail sales and up to 35% on team retail sales. You simply refer customers to the website and get paid. Some of our key products are discount travel for most major brands, identity theft protection with free legal services included, our cashback mall, which also includes over 1,000 stores. Thousands of people have increased their cash flow using the strategies in the membership and referring the membership to other people. Let's look at one of myEcon's best features, the price. When you sign up, you receive a personalized website, our income shifting membership, and our world-class business system. Remember, the membership includes our tax withholding training, the myCredit credit building system, our Cash Flow Manager tax record keeping app, the debt elimination system, and our investment education training. You receive all the features listed above and your personalized website, which makes using the system for your personal finances and referring the system to other people easy and fast. Because of our special promotion, you can get started for a one-time fee of just $49.95. And 30 days after enrollment, you begin paying a small monthly fee of just $34.95. Remember, the fees are tax deductible, and as an actively engaged business owner, you could get thousands of dollars in tax deductions. Many people save more on taxes than it costs them to have the entire system. So get started today and start making and saving money immediately.